Hello people, today I am going to review my Skechers running shoes. So I have used them for 1 month and I will tell you why did I purchase only this model and how did it give me the comfort and fit. So you can see the traction of the shoe is very good, right? Yeah, but it does not last long, but yes. So for this price range like 2000 I got this shoe and the traction is good, and I wanted this shoe because it has no lace, because I am fed off with tying up lace while going to gym and running. So I don't want a shoe with lace, so I went to this model. And the inner part of the shoe is very comfortable and we don't feel sweaty, like as this is a foam shoe, the air gets passed in and out easily, and it is also washable. So the traction part of this shoe is made of memory foam. The build quality is good. I did not find any damages, so the quality is good. And now I will show you the tests which I have done. I have used this shoe for running and walking also, as you see. So I can tell the comfort is great and I did not feel any inconvenience while running or walking. The shoe gave me comfort and fit perfectly. So you can see I have done many jumps and many activities with this shoe and it did not feel any inconvenience. But there is a negative point, I will tell you at the end. I have done this test on hard land because I felt like try to test how this shoe works for trekking. So while trekking we will have multiple rocks on the way, right? So how this can handle, I wanted to test. So I find no inconvenience and this is great. So it handled the path very comfortably, so I did not feel any inconvenience or discomfort. Yes, the shoe is good for trekking also. But now I wanted to say the negative point of the shoe. Yes, you have seen the running, walking and jumping, it is good, but I felt somewhere the sole of the shoe is slipping, like you can see, right? It is going side like this. My leg is getting slipped. I have observed, because as it is stretchable, sometimes when we place our leg wrongly it is slipping. And also the heel part, you can see, right? So it is opening easily, like it is not getting caught perfectly. So I felt this is the only negative point of the shoe. That's it. So you can take this shoe if you are not fond of lace. It is good. Yeah, it is also good for gym people also. Yeah, like daily wear to gym. Yeah, this is the review of the shoe and you can purchase at 2000 rupees price. Thank you.